Hello everyone, welcome to Sources Classes. So in this video we have a very important notification for you guys. Just a while ago, while I was recording this video, we have actually a very important notification, a very important piece of information in regards to the IGIDR examination pertaining to the MSc program. Okay, so in this video we'll discuss what the notification is about and what are the major pertaining the certainties that we have seen with respect to the notification we have seen towards this examination. Okay, so IGIDR examiner test examination for MSc program will be now conducted on 7th of September. Okay, so you almost have exactly a month from now on from the day I'm recording this video. The test is scheduled in the afternoon. Given the COVID-19 restrictions this year, the test has been shortened from 180 minutes to 90 minutes. Okay, this has been done to allow a smooth entry and exit of candidates from the centers. Okay, so this is the code highlight. 90 to 80 minutes to 90 minutes the time has been reduced, and the date is 7th September 2020. So okay, and now it is our endeavor. So this extract I've directly taken up from the website itself. This is an endeavor to keep the candidates safe, and the details with rules and procedures will be announced 1 week prior to the test. Okay, so we can expect any kind of notification with respect to the rules and regulation as far as the conduction of the same is concerned on the first week of September. A center-wise list of candidates will be available on our website about 2 weeks prior to the test. A link is enabled to students to download the call letter will be made available on our website on about 10 days prior to the test. Okay, so about 10 days before the examination the call letter download provision would be available. Okay, so this was all the notifications about. Now let's talk about the MSc exam test pattern as well. So if you talk about the test pattern of the same, we'll see that yeah, so basically it consists of three tests: test 1, 2 and 3, and all of them are compulsory for the candidates. So test 1 is basically of comprehension in English, and it will consist of 5 questions. Test 2 is of test of basics of mathematics, and it will consist of 15 questions. And test 3, where test 3A is of test of economics, 15 questions, and test 3B is of test of advanced mathematics. It will also consist of 15 questions. Now test 1 and 2 are compulsory for all candidates. Candidate can actually choose between test 3A and 3B. Okay, so there's a choice available in the same. So you can either choose to go with economics or you can choose to go with advanced mathematics. So whichever is your preference, you can go with the same. Okay, on the basis of score obtained in the admission test, IGITR will shortlist candidates who will be called for an interview. This year the interview for MSc program will be held online. So this is a very new change, very welcome change in fact, considering the current situation in place. The candidates are required to have a computer, tablet or smartphone and a reliable internet connection in order to be able to attend the interview. Okay, so this is talking about the interview process in general. So it's as we can see from the statement itself, it's a totally online based interview process. So probably they'll be using some sort of video calling software or interview connection software. They'll be taking the interview from that as well. Details regarding the interview dates and time shall be announced and communicated to the selected students in due course. Okay, after the results are declared. Okay, so there exists a possibility of IGDR being unable to conduct the test at the centers due to the COVID related restrictions. So yes, they're even addressing that factor as well. In such case, a revised date will be announced, so you don't have to worry about the same. In this scenario, candidates would be required to have a computer or laptop with a camera and a mic facility and a reliable internet connection. So this is basically more or less a what to say contingency plan in this regards, where if the online center examination is unable to be conducted, so and the admission test will from home, the actual requirement for the other details pertaining to the possibility will be announced by 10th September 2020. Okay, the structure of the administration would be the same as mentioned above. So in case the examination also takes place from home itself, the pattern and the structure would essentially remain to be the same. Okay, now so the few highlights in this regards would be all the registered candidates are provided a small window from August 6th to August 8th, so important dates 2020, for making changes in their center preferences. Okay, so this has to be kept in mind, 6th to August 8th. And then finally, kindly note request for change in center will not be entertained after August 8. Candidates are required to email the following information to they have to send it to this in case they are looking to change their centers in general. Okay, so what they have to do is their name, the program they applied for, be it your MSc or PhD, date of birth, online registration number, center selected in application form, new center selected, uh, opted as on August 6, 2020. Okay, so for more information on the same, you can actually visit us on www.igidr.ac.in. This is the official website. Okay, so any further information and communication, you will actually find it there. Okay, so it's a very good right time for all the candidates who have been preparing for this examination, as only if the things go according to plan, then only you have around a month's time left to actually go ahead and prepare for the same. Okay, so you have only around 1 month left to actually go about the preparation, and you can now, this is the right time to give that extra push whichever is which is required to clear this examination in general. Okay, also if you need any kind of help with regards to your preparation, if you need any kind of online help with regards to your study strategy of the examination or study materials or anything as such, will be more than there to help you out in this regards as well. So if you want any kind of help from our end, please feel free to connect with us. You can visit our website, visit www.saurasarclasses.com. You can mail to us on our email ID at saurasarclasses@gmail.com, and also you can call, text or WhatsApp us on these 5 numbers that we have mentioned over here. So feel free to connect with us in case you have any doubt in this regards, and we'll be more than happy to help you out in any kind of query and doubt that you have. Okay, so with all that being said, I hope this notification news comes in helpful to you, and please, if you feel the necessity of us helping you out, then please feel free to connect with us on those as well. So having said that, I wish you all the very best for your examination, and I'm signing out. Thank you so much.